This is Scott Becker with the Becker's Healthcare Podcast. I'm thrilled today to be joined by Judson Ivy. What's your best advice for business leaders?
I personally believe that if we put our associates and team members first, they take care of our customers. And I know I have many peers that work in the health system that believe that if you put your caregivers first, they take care of your patients. I think it's critical. Business is business, and there are hard calls to be made in every business. But doing it with a humanistic and empathetic approach doesn't mean you don't make the tough calls. It just means you make them understanding that there are people on the other end of it. So I consider it to be one of the most critical factors. Less so the bright part, right? I think there are a ton of smart people in the world. There are certainly people that are much smarter than I. But I think when you can build relationships and work with people, sometimes you get the benefit of outweighing the smarts.
Anybody who's built a business knows it's so hard to really scale a business beyond a mom and pop size business. You have done that. What's some of your best advice for business leaders?
Don't be all things to all people. Be really good at a certain segment of things. And I think we, as a new business, when I started the company, it's very enticing to say yes to everything and try to be everything to everybody. But I think you have to have a discipline to say, what are we really good at? And where do we need to focus our efforts, energy, and investment?
Any business leaders that you particularly admire or look up to, and why?
I try to look at leadership and mentors kind of as a very holistic piece to say there is not one person that can give you the advice on how to be a great leader and to build a business. There are things that we can learn from all people, and that's quite frankly whether they're famous people, as we've talked about, or whether they're everyday people that are in our life that taught you something about perseverance or how to build relationships and those types of things.
How do you keep yourself excited for the long run and not get burnt out on it, not get bored by it? How do you keep yourself motivated?
What keeps me motivated, Scott, is our people. Whenever I'm out kind of in our hospital talking to our staff and our clients and hearing what they're doing and the exciting stuff, that not only makes me realize what a great business we've built, but it keeps me motivated to say the business is changing. And as a CEO, my job is to guide them for the next 10, 15, 20 years around how to get out ahead of it. And so I'm motivated primarily by our people, right? My job is to protect them and to build a business that's stable for them. And so seeing that is energizing. Seeing the impact they have on clients is energizing. So for me, I get a lot of motivation and kind of horsepower from just talking to our people and our clients.